Yo, what's up, guys? It's that time of the month again. It is time for the monthly Sketchbox Challenge. So, if you don't know what the Sketchbox Challenge is, basically, I have a subscription to this company called Sketchbox, and they provide us these mystery boxes full of art supplies. I don't know what's inside of here, neither do you, neither does anybody, until we open them up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna unbox it, open it up right here on camera for you guys, and then we're gonna use the art supplies that are inside to create a work of art. Hopefully something really, really cool, and hopefully it doesn't look terrible, because sometimes, I don't know, I look back at some of those Sketchbox challenges and be that as it may, here we are. Let's get into the challenge. Alright guys, got my trusty little box knife here. Ding, ding. It's not a fancy knife, but it's a knife. It's a good knife. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Let's see what's inside this month's Sketchbox. And it looks like the sides are already caved in. Boy, that's not good. Sketchbox. Alright, let's see. Alright, what do we got inside of this month's Sketchbox? Besides the usual, well, at least they got different flyers this time. Alright, so let's see. First off is, ooh, black ink. Who is this from? Kuretake. Kuretake black ink. Alright, let's put that right there. See what else we got. I know what this is. It's a Kuretake brush pen. Alright, so we're going to put that right there. Let's see what else we got here. We've got a, looks like, uh-oh, I think the cap was supposed to remain on this. Yeah, this is the cap. So, this is a clean dot, something from Zig or Kuretake. So, want to see what that kind of brush is. Ooh, Winsor Newton ink. Please be white. Ah! It's white. There's a story behind that. I'll explain that later. What else we got in here? Ooh, a Copic drawing pen. Ooh. Obviously, this is all for Inktober, so I'm definitely going to use this for Inktober. Flat shader. Okay. All right. That's what's up. Got a HB pen, a 12B. Whoa. That's okay. A 12B. And this is, ooh, a graphics fine liner. It looks like you have different nibs in here. Okay. All right. So that seems to be it. And where's my sticker? Ah, decent sticker. All right. So let's take a quick look at everything that came in the box. And I think this is a pretty good haul. Alright guys, so we obviously went with Inktober theme for this month's Sketchbox. I'm really interested to check out this multi fine liner. This ought to be fun, and I really can't wait to work with this. I've actually been very curious about these Copic drawing pens, so this is something I'm really looking forward to. Everything else I've kind of already worked with before. The Kuretake ink I've not worked with, so I'm a little interested in that. Everything else seems a little bit gimmicky, but we're going to try it out. Let's not even waste any more time. Let's get right into creating some cool art with this Inktober special package from Sketchbox. Alright guys, so that's another Sketchbox challenge that's in the books, and I was pretty happy with this one. This was a very surprising Sketchbox challenge. Still not that cool with the art, but what I found is that when I'm doing these drawings, they're really just test drawings to kind of test out all these different products that come in the Sketchbox. So I think I'm more concerned with just trying out the different mediums and figuring out how to work with them and how they work, as opposed to really trying to do something just super duper dope. Not to say that the drawing didn't come out. This was probably about a 50 on a scale of 100. It was about a 50. Nah, it's more like a 45. But be that as it may, I actually learned a lot about the products that I've gotten. One, I still don't like these because they take forever to fill up. That's the worst thing about these guys right here. But the brush tips are actually pretty nice. So whenever it does fill up, I might have to shake it some. I'll be able to use it and use it effectively. But that's the thing I hate about these fillable brush pens from Kuretake. They just take forever to fill up. So I don't really like them because of that. This Copic drawing pen was really interesting. Really good ink flow. I actually want to see how it works when I'm going over it with the actual Copic marker. It's not supposed to smudge or run. I really want to use this with a Copic marker and see how that works. But just using it was pretty cool. It works really well, but it's a very fine line, and it kind of creates a little rut in the paper because you gotta dig a little bit. But that may also be because I was just starting the ink flow. Still, jury's kind of out on this one. I like it, but I need to work with it some more. Just this little run through wasn't enough for me to make a real good decision on it just yet. These guys, on the other hand, I like these guys. These are from Graphics. They are fine liners, and they have different nibs, and of course one was a brush nib. Of course, it's taking me forever to find the brush nib. I really like the brush nib, even though it's kind of packing a little bit of extra stuff, but that's cool. But this brush nib was really great. These are very nice and very comfortable to use. So these Graphics fine liners from Marabu. Hey, you guys make a pretty darn good fine liner. I'm gonna keep using these guys for a little bit. I really like them. The brush right here is just your standard brush. It's a flat. It moves the ink, but it's not for large areas. Like, I was kind of misusing it, but that doesn't mean it's not a good brush. This is actually a very good brush with a very good tip, and I will actually am looking forward to using it in situations that are a little bit more up at speed. Though those are kind of like fine situations, fill-ins, that type of stuff. But definitely a good brush. Now, this Kuretake black ink, this right here is some pretty good black ink. I don't know if it's on par with Winsor Newton's ink, which I think is the best black ink out, but I do like it better than the Speedball black ink. I like that, and I like the fact that it goes on in a very opaque dark black, and it has a little bit of a chalk to it, but that may also be because it's sitting on a very dark graphite pen. So I want to just try it in a more natural setting when I'm using my pencils and stuff like that, as opposed to this really dark graphite pencil that I got. Speaking of this graphite pencil, this is great if you want to do really dark pencil work. Like if you're doing something that you just plan to leave in pencil, this works really great. It's not really great when you got to put ink over it. So I wouldn't use it for inking at all. If you're just using it for just a pencil drawing, a nice pencil artwork that you're gonna hit with the spray fix afterwards, maybe even on some like vellum paper, oh, this will go right here. This is a good one. And of course it's from Stat Leather. What do you expect? And it's a 12B, so it's super soft, super soft. So you're gonna get some really nice rich blacks with that one, but not good for ink. I don't know why they could include this one in an ink package, but okay. This clean color dot pen, I'm still figuring out. It's got some interesting qualities to it, and I didn't even use the other side, which is kind of this fine liner side, which you can use to kind of get in and create some nice little shading with. It's gray. It comes across as a grayish color, not a grayish ink, and it has a very wash feel to it, so it creates kind of this wash feel. What I compare it to, honestly, is like having a Copic marker, but not maybe the brush side, but it's kind of in that vein. Still trying to figure out this one, so not really ready to say a bad thing about it or a good thing about it. I'm just really trying to figure it out first and figure out the best uses for it. But this is an interesting one, and it's called the Clean Color Dot pen. It's from Kuretake, and yeah, it's something that I'm going to keep working with. This is one the jury's still out on. Now, the one product I didn't use in this exercise is the one that I knew I didn't have to use. It's the Winsor Newton White Best Opaque White Out. So if you don't have it, go get you a bottle. They're about this size. This is perfect. And the reason why I was laughing is because the other day, the other day, my old Winsor Newton White, well, basically I used the last of it, and it's pretty much dead. So I was going to have to buy one, and lo and behold, I get a free one. Well, not a free one, I paid for the Sketchbox. But this is what comes in my Sketchbox, so now I don't have to go buy one and get it shipped out and all that good stuff. So thanks, Sketchbox. You saved my life. Alright guys, so that'll do it for another Sketchbox challenge. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit it with the thumbs up and share it all over the interwebs. Really need you guys to share it all over the interwebs. Share it with everybody. Now, if you guys are new to this channel and you really like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And everybody, come on now. You know what I'm about to ask for. Hit that bell icon. You know what the bell icon does. It saves you from the YouTube algorithm, and it lets you know whenever I post up a new video. Also, if you guys want to get a hold of me, you can always hit me up on my social media at DKG72 on Instagram and Twitter. And of course, I have the David Gordon 72 Facebook fan page. And if you really want to support the channel, go ahead and hit me up on Patreon. DKG72 makes comics. Alright guys, so I'm going to get out of here. Next video is going to be a collab video. I cannot wait for you guys to see that video, and pay attention at the end, because there may be a contest with a very nice prize that I'm going to start up. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you on the next video, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.